So it's a feast. All you can eat shrimp, right? But
That's what you get.
there's no refills on drinks. All I asked for was a lemonade. Can I get some more lemonade?
They ran out.
$175 per person. We are in Mahogany Bay, Honduras.
Honduras.
We're going out to go snorkeling today. We'll see how pretty. I said pretty.
A lot of folks says this is their favorite spot to snorkel.
Well,
We will go see.
we'll find out.
We'll let you know.
Oh shit, it's hot. Yeah, this thing, little tiny stings, man. It gets you.
I'm glad I had my shirt on.
Yeah, it got my head. They got my head.
Right in here.
This jellyfish. All right, so check this out. GoPro died. This is what happens when you use one of these. Okay, you ready for this? Emergency SOS initiated. Piece of shit. Damn it. All right, you ready for this? So it's a feast. All you can eat shrimp, right? But
That's what you get.
there's no refills on drinks. All I asked for was a lemonade. Can I get some more lemonade?
They ran out.
$175 per person. 18 minutes out in the water. 2 plates of shrimp. And 1 cup of lemonade. I'm gonna go on this chairlift at Mahogany Bay. We're gonna take that over to the beach. Looks a lot better than earlier today. We're going to eat. We're tired. Tired. We went snorkeling in the heat. Now it's time to go eat. Well, that rhymed. That was pretty cool.
Alright.
What is that?
Tuna.
Tuna tartar. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Ooh, spin it around. Yeah. So what was that?
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Why wow?
I mean,
What?
this is the first time.
Roast duck. And
Yeah, first time
Can I have
that I
some?
say wow.
just
Wow.
kidding. I got some too.
Great, thank you.
Whoa, look at you. You got 2 of them.
I
What are you
did.
taste testing here? So, the
Basics.
roasted duck was good. Pretty good. But now, guess what we got?
You get the same thing every night.
I know, I get the same thing every night. Here it is. There it is. Lime sorbet. I got 2 scoops though. I can't get 3 anymore because it's too much. It could get even worse.
I started off.
Casino! Oh, okay, day number 6 going to the casino. Look, it's dying out. Hard 6. Ten. 10.
Another good roll.
Good roll.
Number 5.
Oh, look, it's a casino. Oh, look, we won.
This is right.
Tonight on craps, I think I won 500. I won 400, $550 today.
Nice.
Catching up to what we came to the ship with. So, it's good. I had a 28 roll earlier. Then I don't know how I beat that one right now. I had a lot. That was a long time. Okay, good night.